got this cough, man. It's terrible. It's destroying my life. Hey, man, I thought I'd bring you some marshmallow root. Marshmallow? Like them s'more things? It's an amazing herb, man. I decocted this all night for you. It will really soothe those lungs. Is it sweet? I can tell by the sound of your cough that it's hot and it's dry. We're gonna cool that off. We're gonna nourish the yin. What? Great for hot and dry conditions. Good for sore throat, bronchitis. It's gonna really relax and nourish anything it touches. It's a root? Like magic? Like voodoo? I don't mess with no voodoo, man. What you mean voodoo? Are you sure this ain't gonna make me see my ancestors? I don't wanna see no ancestors. My grandma was a trip. She was crazy, man. You should give it a shot. I think you would really like it. It's gonna coat those lungs. It's perfect for your condition. Oh, I don't know about this, man. I don't know. I just can't trust it. I believe in God. God got my back. I don't need no herb. God got me. G-O-D. I mean, I take a Tylenol every now and again, but G-O-D got my back. That don't even make sense. I mean, I'm vaccinated, but G-O-D got me. G-O-D. I don't do none of this voodoo, witchcraft, tree stuff. You put trees in here too? You a hippie. You smell like patchouli too. Are you serious? Hey, man, no offense to you and your religion, but I'm gonna have to pass on this. I'm sorry. I gotta pass. All right, man, whatever.
Hey, man, you wanna try this weed?
Weed?
It's a quadruple hybrid.
A quadruple hybrid?
Yup. It mixed with methamphetamine.
Methamphetamine?
It's ecstasy.
What ecstasy?
Fresh out the lab.
Fresh out the lab? Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hey, man, keep your voodoo roots. I got to go. See you later, man.